Hey guys, this is Kim at River Bottom Pine Flooring in Birmingham, Alabama. We're going to do something exciting today. We're going to move logs around. Get to see what the start. You got to get your logs ready. Go to our sawmill, cut them, dry them, and make them into flooring. But we're going to play around for a little bit, kind of clean up the area and do some organizing. Follow me and we'll get her done. All right guys, here we are. I've got a slight little mess that's going to take a little bit of grappling. A yellow pine and oak mixed. Got a lot of good heart. Heart's right there in the middle. We'll cut that out, make flooring separately out of it, and get more money for it. Got quite a few heart. Got some 28, 30 footers over here. But anyway, let's get started. Here we are, guys. Let's start moving stuff around. My fun thing to do. I position it for my front end loader to be able to come and get the ones out I want cut next. Oh, that's a nice one somebody brought me. Oh, isn't that good? I can really do a lot with that one. We'll just put him over in the, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you yet, Ben. I got some real nice stuff right here from some tree guys. I have to take a lot of garbage sometimes to get some good stuff. They don't have a lot of places to dump nowadays, so I get a lot of brush with it. So I have to go to the dump with it. But anyway, it works out. A bit more garbage. Some of these logs get old, but you still got some worth in them. It kind of depends on what you're going to do with them. Yeah, we saw a lot of garbage, but we just have to cull it and going through with it. But you still get a lot of good material out of a bad log, believe it or not. Yeah, you have more time and effort in it and cost, but still, if it's got some good material, it makes it worth it. It's like, look at that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice straight. Nice straight. More little pieces of garbage. Let's see what we got back here. And see, somebody dumped a bunch of tops in here, which, you know, look at that. You talking about something that'll catch fire in a hurry. That pine dries out, those needles, incredible how fast they'll flash up and burn. Like a daggum Christmas tree. If you ever lit a Christmas tree on fire, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, a bunch of garbage. There's a handful. I'm just, while I got this one like I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and take it around back.